Okay, sorry for the inconvenience because of raining. I'm facing some network issue. Okay, so when we breathe in, actually, what we takes inside our body?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Yes, very good. And when we breathe out, what we takes in, what we expel out from our body, what we remove from our body?
Organisms.
What? Yes, tell me.
Teacher, microorganism.
Microorganism. No.
Teacher, microorganism.
No, not microorganism.
Oxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. So while breathe in, we take oxygen, and while breathe out, we remove carbon dioxide from our body. So this process is known as respiration. Understood? So respiration means taking oxygen inside and removing carbon dioxide from our body. Okay. Now tell me, which are the organs involved in respiratory system? Which are the organs involved in respiratory system?
Lungs.
Lungs. Okay. So how many lungs do we have?
Two.
Two lungs. Everyone have two lungs? Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So through which organ we take air inside?
Nose.
Nose.
Lungs.
Lungs.
Nose.
Nose. Okay, so with the help of nose, we take air inside. Then where it goes? The air which we take. Where? Yes, from nose where it goes? Trachea. Windpipe. Yes. See, in this picture, is my screen visible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So here you can see one bond, one thick bond. Even if you touch here, even if you touch your throat, you can feel one hard bond over there. Can you feel?
Yes, teacher.
What is that? That is trachea. Okay, that is known as trachea. Trachea, or it is also called as windpipe. Okay, trachea is also known as windpipe. Now, from windpipe, where it goes?
Lungs.
Lungs. Okay, so here you can see. One second. So this trachea, when it reaches to lung, it divided into two branches. I will show you another picture. Okay. Okay, so when this trachea reaches the lungs, what happens? This trachea divided into two branches. Okay, that branches are known as Anyone knows what it is called? They are known as bronchia.
Lungs.
No. Before lungs, this trachea, it's divided into two branches. Okay, they are known as bronchus. Okay, and inside the lungs, they divided into more branches. Okay, this bronchus inside the lung, they divided into more branches. They are known as bronchioles. What it is called? Bronchioles. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, children, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I will show you one 3D model so it will be clear for you. Once it is visible, please notify me. Is it visible?
No, teacher.
Yes,
teacher, visible.
Okay, so see, this is what this pipe is called. This pipe is called what?
The trachea.
Not trachea, it is trachea.
Wind pipe.
Okay, it is trachea. Trachea. Trachea or windpipe. Okay,
The wind pipe.
Don't pronounce windpipe, it is windpipe. Okay, trachea or windpipe. Now see, when the trachea reaches to lungs, it is divided into two branches. Can you see it? When the trachea reaches to the lungs, what can you see? It is divided into two branches.
Yes.
These two branches are called what they are called? Bronchi.
Your voice is not.
Can't you hear me?
No, teacher.
Okay, 1 second. Now can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so when trachea reaches to the lungs, it divides into two branches. They are known as, these two branches are called bronchi. Bronchi, okay? And inside the lungs, can you see these branches are again divided into small branches? Can you see it? They are known as still can't you hear me? अभी आवाज आ रहा है? Okay, तो बताओ, when this bronchi comes inside the lungs, can you see small branches?
Yes.
They are known as bronchioles. They are known as, repeat with me, they are known as
Bronchioles.
Bronchioles. Now see, end of the bronchioles. Can you see? Can you see bubble-like structures? End of the bronchioles. एक bronchioles के end में
small tree.
Yeah, small sacs, small bag-like structures. They are known as alveoli. What they are called? What they are called? End of the bronchioles, what is present? Alveoli. Repeat with me, alveoli. Yes, Kedar, are you dancing there?
चलो मेरी बहन कर रही है.
Okay. So see, once again, I will repeat. See, so this bone is known as what? This pipe is known as?
The windpipe.
Windpipe, or another name for this?
Trachea.
Don't say trachea, it is trachea. Trachea. Okay. Now this trachea will divided into two branches. They are known as bronchi.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, Kedar, can you hear me? Yes, Bhavya, are you there? Bhavya, are you?
Yes.
Okay, is any doubt? Is there any doubt in this picture?
No.
Okay, so
Teacher.
listen, I will write down the important terms here so it will be clear for you. That picture is clear for you? Is there any doubt in that picture?
No, teacher.
Okay, so listen. So first, okay, so first is trachea. Trachea, or it is known as trachea. Note down this parts. Trachea, or it is known as windpipe. Second is what? Yes. Bronchi.
See this diagram.
Which diagram? That only. Bronchi, then it is bronchioles, and then it is alveoli. Alveoli. And these systems are very, very important. When you reach 10th standard also, you have to study about these systems. Okay, so study it carefully. Once again, I will repeat. The air which we... Yes, Kedar?
What, teacher?
You're dancing. This is not your dance lecture. Yeah?
My mom's asking me questions.
Okay. So listen. Again, I will repeat. First thing, when we take air inside, it comes to our body. It comes inside our body through nose. Okay. From nose, the air will goes to which pipe? Yes, air will goes to which pipe? Yes, Bhavya, air will goes to which pipe? What is the name of that pipe?
The windpipe.
Windpipe, or another name? Say another name of windpipe. Trachea. Very good.
Trachea.
Yes, trachea. Now, this trachea, when reached to lungs, it divides into how many branches?
The two.
Two branches. Which are they? Or what are they called?
The bronchioles and alveoli.
Bronchi. Bronchi. Okay, bronchi. Now, when this bronchi goes inside the lungs, it divides into small branches known as Yes, small branches known as?
Alveolus.
No. See, bronchi.
Alveolus.
No. See, bronchi, the main branch, when it goes inside the lungs, it divides into small branches known as bronchioles. Okay. End of the bronchiole, you can see air sac called alveoli. Clear? Don't get confused. First trachea, then trachea divide into two branches, bronchi. This bronchi, when it enters in lungs, it divides into small branches called bronchioles. Then end of the bronchioles, you can see air sac called alveoli. This much, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now
Yes.
listen, after 1 minute, this meeting will end up. I will share you another. No, you have to click on the same link, which I have shared already. Okay, and you have to rejoin. And by the time, what you have to do, draw this picture in your notebook. Which picture? If you have textbook, you can refer that. See, this respiratory system. You have to draw. Don't only show your thumb. You should draw. Clear?
Teacher.
Okay. So till that, who will explain me? Bhavya, please explain me the structure of respiratory system.